MT puts out new music after scandal. The rapper is not deterred by a video of his manhood circulating all over social media, and instead, he has come out guns blazing and ready to take on his haters in a new song. While a video of his friend Muahaha trended on social media for almost a week, MT is still capitalizing on his increased popularity. The rapper has put a new track out called My Enemies, in which he boldly takes on fake friends and enemies. The music comes off the back of his latest album, Minando. You were cool when I was ashy, now I'm clean. It's an issue, you just mad because I'm not trying to pop bands with you. Not trying to trap with you. Not trying to laugh with you, MT raps. MT began trending again after dissing Gimp and saying Sister Bettina was whack, 2 days after the video of his manhood circulated on social media. I have seen the reactions, and I am not sure what I can do about it or how to justify it. I am aware of what they are saying about me. I am sorry, and there's not much else I can do. I am a soldier, so I will weather this storm and just see what happens, MT said when the video broke on the internet.